Yo, all right, y'all. What we have here, ZX6R, 1999. Seems to be in pretty good condition. Look at the dash and stuff here. It does have power, as you can see. The flash. I'm gonna cut the flashes off. I don't know. Oh, they might be here. Yep. All right, this is someone else's bike. Kind of got roped in, helping them out with it. I do have the charge on it, charging it up. Yeah, I kind of got helped in basically getting it started is what I'm gonna help them do. I like these lights back here. Don't like the signals, but I do like the brake light. We do have the tank. This is a young lady's bike. She has the tank with her. She's doing a little cleaning on it and everything. But as you can see, it's in very nice condition. I'm thinking a good washing in this bike, and this bike will look really nice. I like to do disc brakes up front. Yeah, these should be like side mounts. Hit like the side mounts, that would be better. Always did like Kawasaki mirrors. This bike was sitting outside for a few years. We're gonna have to go through the brakes also. Yeah, so I might bring you a couple of videos on this one. You know, of us bringing it back right now. Like I said, we got the battery getting charged, getting the full charge. Gonna have to, on the inside here, the two bolts. I'm gonna hand it. Hopefully y'all can see that. The two bolts. Pull that starter out. That starter's kind of locked. So I'm gonna pull that, unstick that. Chain needs some oiling, but it ain't bad. Gonna have to look at the sprockets, but it ain't bad. As I say, looking into the bike, this bike is in really good condition to be 1999. Yeah, stuff like this. You could always just sand this and paint this black. Redo the whole muffler black too. That's what I would do. As I said, in paint, I would leave the original paint on there, sucker. Give it a good clean and wax. Ooh, look beautiful. Yeah. So that's what I guess we'll be doing next, and I'll probably bring y'all in. We're gonna pull that starter, pull the front and back brakes, and get those together. So if we do get it fired, we can test ride it. Boy, look at how wide that bike is. Hoo-hoo. When I first saw this bike, I thought it was a 1000. Because I looked at that back tire. And I look at the back tire on my 650. Yeah, I thought there was a 1000 when I first saw it. Nice bike, man. It's a real nice bike. Real nice bike. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe.